Hey guys, welcome to another video from Historic Militaria. Today we're going to be looking at the Hungarian M70 helmet, which obviously, as its name implies, was first fielded about 1970. And these are actively being surplused out in the United States right now, so they are fairly easy to get at this time, as of 2022. They're actually one of the more overlooked of the Cold War helmets, it seems like, in terms of value. A lot of folks seem to want, obviously, the Soviet helmets. They want Czech and Polish are pretty hot. East German, because they're so unusual. These kind of get overlooked. They seem to be the cheaper of what you can get, and yet they are probably one of the best values. If you're collecting, I've seen them as low as like $20, and these are basically unissued examples like this one. You've got some bulk storage wear, but really nothing, certainly no dents or anything like that. These are nice looking helmets. First thing you're going to notice is the shiny paint. That is a reflective paint that was anti-infrared, and you see that on a lot of Cold War era Eastern Bloc stuff. It was just to stop infrared detection and whatnot. Kind of gives a very interesting look to your helmet, but nothing too thrilling. I'm actually not exactly sure how it worked. I know that it supposedly was pretty effective, but other than that, no real insight. The difference with the M70 versus the original Hungarian M50 helmet is the rivets had gone down from 3 on a side to 2. So you've got your rivet here, and that's going to be repeated on the other side as well. And then when you turn it over, you have a pretty complicated but really high quality liner system in this. This is all leather, and you've got 4 pads, and it's a pretty comfortable helmet by all accounts. You've got your chin strap, which seems a little bit unnecessarily complicated, with a buckle here, and then your chin pad, and another buckle, which would attach to this hook right here on the other side. Just seems like a bit much for the helmet, but whatever. They're, like I said, they are well made. They are nice looking helmets, and you can get them in essentially unissued, unused condition. I'm not sure how much longer that will be the case. I'm really not sure if they're actively being exported still, but they are available, and it's probably one of those helmets that you kind of wish that you hadn't waited around to pick one up. I know a lot of us can kind of procrastinate and be like, oh, these will always be around. Well, Soviet helmets were around for a long time too, and now they're fairly hard to find. Again, obviously it's based on the Ssh40 design, very, very similar. You can tell that's a Soviet-inspired helmet, but definitely different enough to you can tell that you're looking at a Hungarian one, certainly by the liner and the rivet pattern and just sort of the overall look of the helmet. But just thought you'd enjoy taking a look at the M70 Hungarian. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll always be looking at interesting helmets, firearms, and all kinds of military gear. Remember to drop a comment and subscribe, like I said. Thanks for watching.